Another strategy that we have is using repeated subtraction when we're dealing with a division problem. So this is 6, that's our whole amount, and we're going to divide it into groups of 3, or we're going to have 3 groups. We can think about that either way. So I'm starting with my whole number, my whole total, which is 6. I'm going to take away one group of 3. This 3 is just thought of as one group. 3 minus 6 is 3, and I haven't reached 0 yet. So I'm going to take away another 3, another group of 3. 3 minus 3 would bring me to 0, which is where I want to stop my repeated subtraction. So if I look back at how many times I took 3 away, this was my first time, this was my second time. Because I did that 2 times, I can use that to find my quotient. 6 divided by 3 would be 2. So if I had 6 and I divided that into 3 groups, I would have 2. And the next problem is a little bit bigger numbers, so we can show how this works again. I start with 24, which is the whole amount. And I'm going to take away one group of 4. So minus 4. That would bring me to 20. I'm not down to 0 yet, so I'm going to take away another group of 4. That would bring me to 16. And you can see this might be a really long problem for students to solve. So this might be one of the strategies that works a little bit better for smaller numbers. We're down to 16, still not there. I need to take away another group of 4, which brings me to 12. Now, if you run out of room, you can just bring that 12 up here. And I still need to get down to 0, so I need to take away another group of 4, which would leave me with 8. If I take away another group of 4, that would leave me with 4. And then that final group of 4 that I take away will bring me to 0. So I've done all the math that I need to get from 24 down to 0. I've split that up into groups of 4. So to go back and look at how many problems I did, how many times I did that, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because there were 6 times that I had to do that, our quotient will be 6. And it kind of shows the connection too into, we did it 6 times. 4, taking away 4 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24. So it's bringing in that connection between multiplication and division a little bit too, if you look at it that way. And that is how you use subtraction, repeated subtraction, to solve a division problem. Thanks.